In the Pamalong district of Indonesia's Central Java province, a prawn farm covering about 70,000 square meters was built by a Chinese company in 2021. Once the prawn larvae here are 4 months old, they will undergo processing and be shipped to Fuzhou, capital city of East China's Fujian province, about 2,000 nautical miles away. Seasoned Indonesian prawn farmer Johnny Setiawan is in charge of the farm. Since 2021, he has been working with the wholly owned subsidiary of Fujian Miaotianhui Food Company Limited, focusing on prawn cultivation.
Dua lokasi itu total 70 petak. Per petak panennya antara 3,5 ton sampai 4 ton. Sini musimnya kan cuma kemarau, musim hujan. Jadi kita lebih aman. Miara udang lebih aman lah istilahnya untuk jaga pH, suhu.
Fujian Miaotianhui Food Company Limited is among dozens of food companies operating in Fujian's Yuanhong Investment Zone. The zone represents the Chinese part of the two countries' twin parks project, jointly undertaken with Indonesia. The Indonesian part involves the Bintian Industrial Estate, the Aviana Industrial Estate, and the Badang Industrial Estate. The new model of international cooperation features two countries setting up industrial parks on each other's soil and jointly facilitating development.
这样子给他们就创造了很多的就业，按照我们统计过去，会达到4000户。
Fuqing Zhaohua Aquatic Food Company Limited, also from China's Fujian, has invested in Vietnamese prawn farming in Indonesia, with their farm spanning a vast area of around 4 million square meters.
这是公司在与印尼合作的养殖的南美台地虾，当地的养殖周期更短，人工成本更低。借助两国双元政策的支持，公司在清关过程中有通过绿色通道，产品到国内进行一次的精深加工，可以做成虾滑类制品。
Concerning the project between China and Indonesia, Fuzhou authorities envisioned 5 areas of industrial chain cooperation, namely marine fishery, tropical agriculture, light industry, machinery and electronics, as well as green mining. The Chinese park is now working to initiate 45 more ventures with a total investment of around 63.6 billion yuan. China has been Indonesia's largest trading partner for 10 consecutive years. In 2022, bilateral trade stood at $149.1 billion, up 19.8% year-on-year.